When a person crosses the age of 60, something changes. Life starts to slow down, but the mind begins to go deeper. This is the stage where people stop chasing success and start searching for meaning. They begin to ask themselves, what have I done with my life? Am I proud of the person I've become? Today, let's explore the psychology of people above 60, how their emotions, thoughts, and priorities transform in this beautiful yet sensitive stage of life. Here we explain in 6 steps. Number 1. Reflection and life review. At this age, people often look back at their entire life. They remember their struggles, their victories, their regrets. It's a time of deep reflection, where memories become teachers. If they feel proud and satisfied, they experience inner peace and wisdom. But if they feel regret or unfulfilled dreams, they may face sadness or despair. Psychologists call this stage integrity versus despair. It's about accepting one's life, both the good and the bad, and finding peace in it. Number 2. Change in priorities. After 60, priorities shift. They care less about status, money, or competition, and more about love, family, faith, and peace. The world outside becomes quieter, but the world inside, the heart, becomes louder. They realize that what truly matters is not what they own, but who they love. Number 3. Emotional changes. Emotionally, people over 60 become more stable, yet more sensitive. They value harmony and calmness, but loneliness can hurt deeply. When they feel ignored or useless, it affects their mental health. That's why emotional support, attention, and respect from family are so important. A simple conversation, a little appreciation, or time spent together can make their entire day feel meaningful. Number 4. Changes in thinking. Mentally, some things slow down, like memory and focus. But wisdom, emotional intelligence, and understanding actually grow stronger. They think more deeply, react more patiently, and understand life in a quiet, powerful way. Their thinking becomes less about winning and more about understanding. Number 5. Common psychological challenge. Still, this stage of life can be tough. They may struggle with loneliness, fear of dependency, depression or anxiety, questions about life and death. But these are not signs of weakness. They are signs of a mind searching for meaning. With love, connection, and purpose, these struggles can turn into strength. Number 6. Positive mental growth. Many people, after 60, actually become mentally stronger and more peaceful. They learn the power of forgiveness. They appreciate small things, like morning sunlight or a smile from a grandchild. They discover that peace is not found in the world, but within themselves. Helping others or sharing their wisdom gives them a renewed sense of purpose. Conclusion. At 60 and beyond, life is not ending, it's evolving. The heart becomes softer, the mind wiser, and the soul calmer. It's not about counting years. It's about making the years count.